Let's talk about sanitation. As far as the shade tab holder and the grip, you can use alcohol. But for the iPhone, the manufacturer does say that you can use a disinfecting wipe, Clorox, but you need to check with them just to make sure that that's okay. As far as sanitation for your cheek retractors and mirrors, for your cheek retractors, you can use Lysol or put it into an autoclave bag and autoclave it. As far as your mirrors go, you can use dish soap, okay, first to clean it off, and then go over with it with alcohol, get it nice and clean. And you can still put it into an autoclave baggie. Now, what we recommend is actually to use 2 sheets like this, okay, paper towels, and then you can wrap it. And the reason you want 2 is when it cools, the water condensate happens. And if you put 2 towels on there and wrap it up like this, and then when it comes out, it'll have much fewer water spots on it. And again, what you would do is take alcohol, okay, and to wipe it down, I love these glass cleaning rags. They're just wonderful, and they're made by Rubbermaid, and just love these. It takes all the spots off the mirrors, and it does a great job, so your mirrors will be nice and clean and shiny.